because I'm reacting to loads of random stuff, music videos, stuff from films and episodes and things like that. I'm only reacting to this one thing from this series. I loved this series when I was a kid watching. I mean, come out in early 80s, I think, or late 80s, about the time when I was born. I was born 88, so maybe it started then. I don't know. This is season 5. I'm reacting to a scene from it where Bernard's having a shave and he has to escape from Marjorie. I think he gets away. She doesn't find him. I think from memory he hides in the shed and she doesn't find him. Anyway, let's go.
Oh, morning. Oh. Well, that was a good night, wasn't it?
Was it?
Well, the bit I remember was. And that was a great club.
Which one? The one where you said you were from the Vice Squad, or the one where you tried to get in free with your pension book?
It was my bus pass, actually. I suppose it was quite a thrill for you being out with 2 handsome men about town.
Oh, yeah, especially as one kept falling asleep and the other kept falling over. True.
Yes, well, the floor was slippy.
On the pavement.
Oh, you noticed it too, did you? Right, well, what's for breakfast?
No idea.
You're not still in a mood, are you?
No.
Oh, good. Pour us some cornflakes, will you, Brenda? I'll pour my own milk, eh?
See you tonight, Bernard.
Oh, God.
That'll keep you regular. You look tired.
Yeah, we didn't get in till late last night.
Gallivanting, I suppose. It's all right for her ladyship with no job to go to the next day. But she's no right to be leading you astray.
Wasn't there doing the leading? It was Bear.
Bear?
Yogi Bear. A friend. It's his nickname.
Yes, well, I assumed he wasn't actually on his christening certificate. I've not heard you mention him before.
Who?
Yogi Bear.
Oh, yeah, I think he's...
One of her crowd, I suppose. Oh, I hope you're not having them in the house. It's a respectable neighbourhood, remember. Even more so since Bernard moved out. I'm sure it's a mess.
What is?
The house. Does she clean it?
Of course.
I'll bet.
We all do.
All?
But both. The pair of us. We each do our share, and it's just as Peggy left it.
Well, I wouldn't be asking much. Yet I don't believe you, Malcolm. I know what you were like when you were here, the pair of you. I shall have to call round. Next thing will be vermin.
Not there.
I shall have a word with Peggy when she gets back. Oh, the disgrace of it, having to have a council dirt squad in.
No, don't exaggerate.
You forget Malcolm's Stoneway. I've known you since you were born.
Well, that's not unusual with brothers, is it?
I know when you're telling fibs. I know that little tweaking round the mouth. Yeah, and those sideways looks. I'm not as soft as I'm cabbage looking. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if this Yogi Bear isn't using Peggy's house for some acid drop party.
Acid house, Mother.
There you are. You admit it.
Of a modern vegetable, I've information vegetable animal and mineral.
Yeah, you see, it was all happening behind the fan, so I had to have it out. Well, I mean, it should have been happening, but it wasn't, which is why she cut out. See, the trouble was, the spade to the liquor terminal on the LT side was all gunged up, so sometimes it wasn't making. And then when you stopped, it made again. And there was just no way of knowing unless you waggled it about a bit while it was still warm. You know.
Is that what you did?
Yeah, I fixed it temporarily and then resold it properly this morning. And then, tragedy.
What happened?
My soldering iron. Put it down on my butty box. I don't use it much. I go to my mum's for lunch these days.
So
So,
what's the damage?
ruined. Went straight through the lid plastic.
How much do I owe you?
Oh, nothing.
Don't be silly. It's your livelihood. What about materials?
Okay, there was the solder.
How much?
5p.
And your labour?
Oh, 10p.
Oh, you're hopeless. Look, if I can't pay, can I at least give you something?
No, it's all right.
Please. A present. What do you need at this moment?
Nothing really, except
Yes?
I suppose I do need a new butty box.
Is that all? Look, let me take you to lunch sometime.
That'd be nice.
And perhaps tomorrow I'll pop by with something for you.
Great. Look, I mean, it doesn't have to be the same, but my last one was a Snoopy.
I'll run you back.
Yes, Peggy. Well, I know you were never in any danger of being called house proud, but this is beyond a joke. There's now no question you should not have let them near the place. Peggy, we are talking Havisham standards here. No. Miss Havisham in Great Expectations, not the wig and prop forward. I tell you, not a finger has been lifted. How do I... Because when I got your cleaner out, what did I find? A cobweb right across your crevice nozzle. Oh, don't you be making excuses for her. There's worse to come. That little harlot is two-timing my son. She's having men round. In the house when I got here. No, I didn't see him because he ran off. But I know it was a he because he left a fully loaded shaving implement in the bathroom. And what's more, I'm pretty sure his name is Yogi Bear.
Thank you very much, Malcolm.
Where have you been?
In the hide.
Why?
Well, I was hiding from Marjorie.
She's been here.
Well, she nearly caught me, got out just in time.
Your face is all red.
Chapped. She caught me mid-shave. I've been out there all afternoon. I must say, she's done a very good job, though, don't you think? Maybe you could sign her up to come round weekly, save Brenda having to do it.
Oh, God, Brenda.
Yeah, so she went out at lunchtime.
Yeah, I know. She rang. I was supposed to pick her up on my way past the grapes. I forgot.
Oh, less raisins, eh? Boozy little madam.
She'll do it, not when she sees this place. The idea of my mother cleaning here. Oh, I'll have to think of something.
Well, don't worry, Malcolm, we will.
I'll have to go.
All right. Well, have one for me.
Right. That's all I react to. I can't react to the old 25 minutes. I don't want it done for copyright. But yeah, I love this show. It's great. I reacted to this scene because I've seen the whole series. This is probably my favourite scene in the whole series where Marjorie chases after Uncle Bernard. I always used to rewind that part. I had this episode. I didn't have the old collection when I was a kid. I have the old collection on DVD now, but I used to have certain episodes on VHS tape. I had this particular episode, and I used to rewind that scene back over and over again. I thought it was hilarious. The old series is, but that's my favourite part. And this is probably my favourite episode of the old series too. I love this episode. Anyway, thanks for watching. I think season 5 is my favourite of the. I think it went to season 8 or season 9 or season 7, one of them, but I've got the old collection. I've watched it all, but I've not watched it for a couple of years, but this is my favourite season, season 5, and this is my favourite episode. Anyway, thanks for watching.